ARBITRUM Price Prediction 2024 to 2030. ARBITRUM emerged as one of the best Ethereum scaling solutions last year. Since then, the blockchain has launched its governance token, ARB, through the most anticipated airdrop of 2023. ARBITRUM Price History. ARBITRUM is a Layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution created by Off-Chain Labs. Ever since its inception, it has been one of the top trending cryptos. It launched in August 2021, with its initial seed funding round in January 2021, where it raised $3.8 million and then $20 million in Series A in 2021. It raised $120 million in its Series B round, giving the chain a $1.2 billion valuation. Mainnet launch. Immediately following the launch of ARBITRUM's mainnet, users began flocking to the chain, causing the total value locked, TVL, to climb exponentially. Just 1 month following its launch, ARBITRUM's TVL reached $800 million. The TVL peaked at around $2.35 billion in November 2021. Following this, the TVL steadily declined as the crypto suffered a brutal bear market. Still, rumors of the ARBITRUM token's airdrop caused activity on the chain to pick up starting in July 2022. One of the main reasons for the interest in the airdrop was the Optimism Layer 2 coins airdrop at the end of May. Following the Optimism airdrop, many users shifted their focus to the ARBITRUM chain, hoping to capture some ARB profits similarly. FTX collapse. Moreover, as the ARBITRUM airdrop narrative was heating up, the cryptocurrency industry faced one of its most infamous scandals ever. The FTX exchange collapse meant many investors no longer trusted centralized exchanges. This led to Ledger having its highest week of recorded sales as crypto holders moved their assets from exchanges. That said, FTX was the go-to exchange for perpetual futures contracts exchanges, and at the time, there were not many decentralized alternatives. While plenty of AMMDEXs are on the market, the leading, and one of the first, perpetual exchanges, GMX, was built on the ARBITRUM chain. Naturally, this caused a flood of new users to adopt the ARBITRUM chain. Looking at the GMX TVL chart on DeFi Llama, we can see that the TVL has steadily increased since its launch, with the FTX collapse in September likely playing a significant role. Instead of using a centralized exchange for futures trading, many traders have learned the importance of self-custody, so they're using the GMX exchange, thus boosting liquidity on the ARBITRUM chain. ARB goes live. The ARBITRUM airdrop occurred on March 16, 2023, with users able to claim their tokens on March 23, 2023. Shortly after its launch, ARBITRUM hit $1.49 before dropping off to lows of $1.1347. Since its launch, the ARBITRUM token has displayed high volatility, swinging as much as 30% in either direction in a single day. The ARBITRUM Foundation's first governance proposal caused a massive stir in the community. The proposal asked whether the Treasury should release 750 million ARB tokens to fund the ARBITRUM Foundation. Although ARB holders voted against the proposal, the Foundation announced the vote was only to ratify a decision already made. This caused a lot of holders to lose confidence in the coin, mainly since its core purpose is as a governance token to vote on matters relating to the project. The botched AIP1 proposal caused the price to sink to a low of $1.126, but the price has remained above this level since. ARBITRUM Price Prediction 2024. Looking ahead to 2024, the main factor affecting our ARBITRUM coin price prediction is the Bitcoin halving. As the Bitcoin halving takes place, we expect the bull market to begin, which has led to network congestion on the Ethereum chain in the past. In the last bull market, the Polygon coin, the leading Ethereum scaling solution at the time, saw massive gains of 17,990% since its purpose was to fix the Ethereum scalability issue. With this in mind, Layer 2 projects can be some of the best coins to buy ahead of the next bull run. While we expect this is already priced into ARB since it is a historical narrative, the Ethereum scalability issues will undoubtedly cause an influx of new liquidity to the ARBITRUM network, causing the price to rise imminently. Considering this, our ARBITRUM price prediction forecasts a price of $3.50 by the end of 2024. ARBITRUM Price Prediction 2025. As more investors learn about the use case and need for the ARBITRUM blockchain, we expect this to transfer into many new applications being developed on the chain. Currently, the Arbitrum ecosystem consists of various innovative dApps, with the leader being GMX. As mentioned earlier, GMX is a perpetual decentralized exchange, allowing users to trade futures contracts without handing over custody of their crypto. This is a massive step forward in the DeFi space, and since it's the first of its kind, GMX has a first mover's advantage. Moreover, since Arbitrum enables transactions at a fraction of the cost of Ethereum, the Arbitrum chain is the perfect infrastructure for a short-term trading protocol like GMX. There are many more cutting-edge applications on the Arbitrum chain, primarily focusing on DeFi. For example, the third highest Arbitrum protocol by TVL, Radiant, is a lending and borrowing platform that leverages the real yield model to reward lenders with up to 81.19% April. Thanks to its low fees, high security and Ethereum compatibility, we expect innovation on the Arbitrum chain to continue into 2025, with current dApps like GMX and Radiant maturing and a new breed of dApps coming to fruition. Therefore, our Arbitrum price prediction estimates a price of $6 by the end of 2025. ARB price prediction 2025 to 2030. Arbitrum's primary focus is solving Ethereum's scalability issue. This means for Arbitrum to succeed long-term, Ethereum must remain the market-leading smart contract blockchain. Ethereum's roadmap shows a wide range of upgrades lined up for the coming years. They include everything from account abstraction, creating wallets without the user needing to manage private keys, to danksharding, a new form of scalability that relies on Layer 2 rollups. As Arbitrum is the leading Layer 2 chain by TVL, it will become a core component of the Ethereum ecosystem. Arbitrum will help lower Ethereum transaction fees while maintaining the security and decentralization of the network. Therefore, the governance of the Arbitrum network will become of interest to many high-profile stakeholders, potentially even Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin himself. This will significantly increase demand for the Arbitrum coin over time. On the other hand, it is important to consider that while Arbitrum's market cap is currently $1.6 billion, its fully diluted market cap sits at $13.1 billion. This means a lot of locked tokens will come into circulation in the coming years, causing more sell pressure and preventing the Arbitrum coin from growing exponentially. Nonetheless, we still expect a market cap of over $100 billion for the Arbitrum coin by 2030, considering its crucial role in Ethereum's success. Therefore, our Arbitrum price prediction estimates an Arbitrum crypto price of $11 by the end of 2030. What is Arbitrum used for? Arbitrum voting takes place on-chain, with the entire process lasting between 21 and 37 days. Voting is weighted depending on the number of tokens users hold. The more they have, the more their vote is worth. Gas fees on the Arbitrum chain will be settled in ETH rather than ARB. While this could lead to less demand for ARB, the team created the token as a way to empower the crypto community. ARB enables holders to control the direction of an important piece of the Ethereum ecosystem. The Arbitrum Foundation. One of the main issues concerning whether ARB is one of the best long-term coins is the management of its treasury from the Arbitrum Foundation. Although the AIP1 issue seems to have been resolved, it could impact the coin's price if similar problems arise in the future. The Arbitrum ecosystem. As mentioned before, coins like GMX are highly in demand, and since they are native to the Arbitrum chain, holding ARB allows users to have a say over the infrastructure the coin is built on. This can prove valuable, particularly to large whales holding the GMX or other ecosystem coins. Therefore, the growth of the Arbitrum ecosystem will inherently boost demand and price for ARB. Conclusion. Overall, Arbitrum is set to solve many problems the Ethereum network has been plagued with for years. It is certainly one of the best cryptos to buy for 10x gains, but you will have to wait a long time as much of its potential is already priced in. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.